of asphyxia by plastic bag.
Asphyxia o suffocation, gamit umano ang plastic bag ang ikinamatay ni June Villamor, ang umano'y middleman sa pagpaslang sa broadcaster na si Percy Lapid. Ito ang lumabas sa independent autopsy na isinagawa ng forensic pathologist na si Dr. Raquel Fortun sa labi ni June Villamor nitong October 26.
The most pertinent findings would be, number 1, history of asphyxia by plastic bag suffocation. 2, pulmonary congestion, edema, and hemorrhages. 3, schistosomiasis of the liver. It's an incidental finding. It's a parasitic infection. I believe he comes from Leyte, Samar area, and that's kind of endemic in that area. Number 4, status post-autopsy. Number 5, status post-embalming. Number 6, evidence of medical intervention consisting of a needle puncture mark on the dorsal right hand. Well, I saw this on, zooming in on the pictures. Preliminary urine toxicology showed methamphetamine.
At base sa kanyang pagsusuri, iisa lang anya ang konklusyon.
He died from suffocation by means of a plastic bag over his head. The autopsy findings showed no gross morphologic cause of death, and this is consistent with the reported asphyxia. Based on available information regarding the circumstances surrounding death, the manner is homicide.
Kaiba ito sa resulta ng unang autopsy report ng National Bureau of Investigation na nagsasabing natural causes ang dahilan ng pagkamatay ni Villamor. Pero nilino naman ni Justice Secretary Jesus Crispin Remulla, hindi naman taliwas ang naunang report ng NBI sa findings ni Dr. Fortun.
I don't think there's any inconsistency with her findings except that she just found a little more. And that is, of course, the methamphetamine in the system and other things that probably, if compared, merong pagkakaiba. So this helps us explain a lot of things and also reveals something